Hello guys, and welcome back po dito sa Automatic. So for this video, meron tayong dalawang example. Una is about the balloon and the second one is ladder. So first example states that the radius r of a balloon is increasing at a rate of 4 inches per minute. Find the time rate of change of the volume of the balloon at the instant when r is equal to 2 inches. And this is the formula po, okay, ng volume ng sphere. Okay, 4/3 pi r cubed. So dito meron daw tayong radius r of a balloon. So let's draw muna balloon. Okay, so bali ito yung balloon natin, tapos yung radius niya, okay, that's r. And sabi niya, radius is increasing. So in our previous video, sabi ko, increasing, it means it is changing. Diba? So that's already a rate. Okay, so that's that's your dr over dt. Kasi sabi niya, radius is increasing at a constant rate of 4 inches per minute. Okay, 4 inches per minute. And sabi niya, find the time rate of change of the volume. So yung hinahanap po natin dito is rate of change ni volume. Evident na kailangan natin, sinabi na niya talaga na rate of change ng volume. So, ang hinahanap natin dito is si dv over dt. Ay yung hinahanap natin when r is, r or your radius is 2 inches. Tapos, meron po tayong volume dito ng sphere. So, the volume of the sphere is given, that's v, is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Okay, pag na-identify na po yung mga given ninyo at kung ano yung hahanapin natin, okay, then alam nyo na po yung formula ng hinahanap natin. For this example is balloon, which is a sphere. So, ang gagawin nyo next is you have to derive. Okay, you take the derivative of the volume of the sphere. So, what's the derivative of the volume of the sphere? So, this one is now dv over dt. Now, take the derivative of this one. Ang pi po is considered a constant. So, just copy the constant. Okay? Tapos, yung r cube. Okay? So, if we will take the derivative of that one, magiging 3r squared dr over dt. Di po ba? So, we have 4/3. Tapos, meron ding 3 dito. So, we can cancel out 3. So, ang matitira now is, ito na lang, si 4 pi r squared dr over dt. So, makikita nyo, ito na po yung ating hinahanap. Change in volume with respect to time when r is 2 inches. So, we have r 2 inches. We also have dr over dt. So, napakasimple lang po. dv over dt. So, lagay na natin kung ano yung mga kailangan natin. R is, sabi niya, when r is 2 inches. So, let's have 2 inches. Tapos, we have dr over dt, which is 4 inches per minute. That's also given in the problem. Okay, per minute. Okay, so use your calculator, class. 4 pi times 2 inches times 4 inches. So, yung pi, okay? So, if you don't know how to use your calculator, meron akong calculator dito. I will just show you. Okay, ayan. So, just put here diretso 4, yung pi natin, shift. Ayan, dito. Tapos, parenthesis lang, 2 times 4. Okay. Squared po pala. We have to square the 2. Hindi natin nalagyan. So, let's go to square. That is equals to 64 pi. So, let's go back. Okay? Ito po, no, hindi ko nalagyan ng 2. Squared po pala yan. Ayan siya. So, if we will use our calculator, our answer is 64 pi square inch per minute. So, meron na po tayong answer ng change in volume po natin sa ating example number 2. So, for our example number 3, it says, a 20-foot ladder leans against a vertical wall. If the base of the ladder is pulled away from the wall at a constant rate of 4 feet per second, how fast is the top of the ladder sliding down the wall when the base of the ladder is 12 feet from the wall? So, identify what is given. Okay, by drawing, no? I-draw po muna the situation. We have a 20-foot ladder daw po that leans against the wall. So if this is our wall, say ito yung wall natin. Okay, ito yung wall. Ayan, ito yung wall natin. And there's a 20-foot ladder. So let's say my ladder. Okay. Ayan natin si ladder. Okay, this is our ladder. 20 foot daw. Okay. Tapos, leaning against the wall. So, ito yung wall po natin. Okay. This is the wall. This is the ladder. Okay. Ito yung wall natin. If the base of the ladder is pulled away, so ito yung base ng ladder natin. If it is pulled away daw, we pulled away, it means papunta doon, no? Pulled away. So, let's put an arrow kasi pulled away from the wall at a constant rate of 4 feet per second. So, this pulled away at a constant rate of 4 feet per second. Okay, tapos, how fast is the top of the ladder sliding? So, of course, if you will analyze the problem, if you will pull this one away, okay, if you will pull this one away, of course, itong dito, it will go down. So, yun yung hinahanap natin. How fast is the top of the ladder sliding? So, this one, the top of the ladder is sliding. So, let me change the color to emphasize. Okay? So, ito daw, it is sliding, of course, because it is pulled away. So, how fast is this one sliding down the wall when the base of the ladder is 12 feet from the wall? So, if ang base daw ng ladder is 12 feet from the wall, so this one to here is 12 feet daw. Okay? So, meron na tayo ditong given. Meron tayong hypotenuse, which is the ladder. Meron tayong base, which is 12 feet. So, ito yung hinahanap natin. And next is to express the given and what is asked as a variable. So, para ma-solve natin, no, para makagawa tayo ng equation. Let's say yung ladder natin is C. Okay? Let's say base ang B. So, let's say B ito. Tapos ito A. Okay? Okay, so you have to identify what is changing. What is changing here? What is changing is yung B natin, no? Yung length niya, kasi it is pulled away. So, you know, it is changing. So, see, itong 4 feet per second, that's our dB over dt. Okay? So, that's dB over dt. Tapos, the other one that is changing is yung ating, etong sliding down the wall. Yung sabi niya. Okay? So, this is, hinahanap natin dito is dA over dt. And, of course, itong ladder, hindi yan nag-change because the length of the ladder is constant. So, meron na tayong drawing, meron na tayong diagram. What we have to do is to make an equation. So, by this, meron na tayong right triangle, so we can use Pythagorean. Okay? Pythagorean theorem, which is c squared. Okay, change ko lang tong color. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Okay? So, C squared is equal to E squared plus B squared. So, you take the derivative of C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Okay, let's take the derivative. So, magiging 2C and siya dC over dt is equal to derivative of that one, that's 2A dA over dt plus 2B dB over dt. Then, let's factor out 2 para atin siyang ma-cancel out. So, because you have 2 here, you have 2 here, you can factor that out. Okay. Tapos, B dB over dt. So, we have 2 here, we have 2 here. If we will divide that both to 2, na-cancel po yan. So, what is left is this one. C dC over dt is equal to A dA over dt plus B dB over dt. Now, tingnan natin if available ba yung mga kailangan natin to solve the problem. Okay. So, C. Meron tayong C. But take note, dc over dt is the foot of the ladder changing. It is constant, no? And therefore, this one is 0. Okay? So this one is 0. Okay? So let's the 0. Si A, meron ba tayong A? We don't know A. Diba? We don't know A. We don't know dA over dt. We have B. Of course, we have B, 12 feet. But we also have dV over dt. Okay, so check itong dalawa, meron tayo. Okay, let's proceed. So yung natitira, ito na lang. Okay, so let's go. We have here 0. Yung 0 na yan, class, because this is 0, okay? So we have A dA over dt plus B dB over dt. Again, we don't know the value of this one. So, anong kukunin natin? Ang kailangan natin is dA over dt. Now, we have to get the value of A. How can we get the value of A? We get the value of A again by using the Pythagorean. We know C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. We have C. Tama? We have 20 feet. 20 feet squared. We don't know A, but we know B, which is 12 feet. So, we know the value of A by using the Pythagorean. So, we can write that one as A squared is equal to 20 squared minus 12 squared. So, let's use our calculator kung magkano yan. Okay, so let's see. Sana yung calculator natin. Let's have 20 squared minus 12 squared. So that is 256. But that is square root. Okay, 256. Square root ng 256, that's 16. So, balik tayo dito. Okay. So, A squared is equal to 256. Okay. Then, take the square root of both sides para ma-cancel out natin yung square. So, A now is 16. Okay, that's 16 feet. Yan yung value ng A natin. So, that value of A, we can substitute it here. Okay, so it will now become 16 feet, then dA over dt. So, ito yung kailangan natin, plus B. Ano yung B? We have 12 feet. That's 12 feet. Tapos yung dB over dt natin is 4 feet per second. So, 4 feet per second. So, now we will transfer, no? 12 times 4. So, what is 12 times 4? You multiply that one, that's 48. Diba? So, transpose it or, okay, you transpose it to the other side, magiging negative. Ayan siya, no? 48 feet squared per second. Tapos, dito, we have 16 feet. Right? It's dA over dt. So, we have to divide both sides po ng 16 feet. Okay, 16 feet. Paano matanggal yan dyan? Andito, ang isang feet, cancel out. So, negative 48 divided by 16, that is negative 3. Ito ba? So, negative 3 feet per second ang ating dA over dt. What do you mean by negative? Negative po because it is decreasing. Take note that the other end of the ladder is sliding down. Okay, sliding down meaning pababa. So, meaning it is decreasing. So, your final answer could be decreasing dA over dt is decreasing at yan siya, no, negative 3 feet per second. So, this is now your final answer. Okay? Ayan siya. So, this is now your final answer. So, ganun lang po mag-solve when you talk about ladder or balloon. So, I hope meron po kayong natutunan in this video. Stay tuned lang because marami po tayong example na pag-uusapan dito sa ating channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day at God bless po sa inyo lahat.